I wake up at 7. I wake up at 7 and
I brush my teeth every morning. I brush my teeth every morning.
I wash my face with cold water. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I eat breakfast in the kitchen.
I drink tea every morning. I drink tea every morning. I check my phone in the morning. I check my phone in the morning.
I get dressed before breakfast. I get dressed before breakfast. I leave the house at 8.
I say good morning to my neighbor.